Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, The Gentle Exhale, Self-Care for Sensitive Givers. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. In this episode, we're going to explore some sensory-friendly cleaning tips, specially curated for sensitive givers like you. We'll be covering three main topics. First, we'll look at 10 fantastic uses of Castile soap. Then we'll discuss ways to avoid sensory overload while cleaning. And finally, stick around until the end where I'm showing you the double rinse secret. If your child complains that their clothes feel crunchy or pokey, even after washing, this one 10-second adjustment to your laundry routine changes everything. Let's begin by talking about why traditional cleaning products can sometimes be overwhelming for highly sensitive persons and moms with children who have extra needs. Many cleaning products are laden with strong fragrances, harsh chemicals, and artificial additives that can assault our senses. Imagine trying to clean while being bombarded by overpowering smells and irritating residues. It definitely adds unnecessary stress, right? That's why today I want to introduce you to the wonders of Castile soap. Castile soap is a natural, gentle, and effective alternative that can help reduce sensory input, making household chores a lot less overwhelming. The 10 uses for Castile soap. All-purpose spray. I use this for basically every surface. It's such a relief to wipe down the counters and not have that heavy chemical cloud hanging in the kitchen afterward while I'm trying to prep a meal. Pica Safe Toy. Soak. If you have a mouther or a kiddo with pica, this is a lifesaver. You can soak their plastic toys or chewies in the sink and know there's no weird dye or bitter soap taste left behind when they go right back into their mouth. Medical and adaptive equipment. This is my go-to for wheelchairs, walkers, or even sensory swings. It's gentle, it's non-toxic, and it doesn't leave that annoying sticky film on the handles that can be a real tactile nope for our kids. Low suds, bathing. For some kids, a mountain of bubbles is actually terrifying or just too much sensory input. This soap cleans perfectly but stays low suds, so bath time feels a lot more grounded and calm. Laundry for itchy kids. We've all dealt with the meltdown over a scratchy shirt. Often it's just the leftover scent and stiffeners from regular detergent. Switching to this helps the fabric just feel like fabric. No perfumes, no irritation. Weighted blanket spot clean. Weighted blankets are such a pain to wash, but spills happen. I just use a tiny bit of diluted soap on a cloth to spot clean. It gets the grime out without soaking the beads or adding a scent that's going to be right under their nose all night. Scent-free hand soap. If you're washing your hands 20 times a day, the scents start to stack, and it gets overwhelming. Using this as a hand soap stops that sensory pileup and keeps your skin from feeling stripped. High chair scrub. I love this for high chairs because it's food safe. You don't have to worry about their crackers tasting like artificial lemon sparkle because the soap didn't rinse off all the way. Sensory play cleanup. When the finger paint or the slime gets everywhere, and it always does, this is the gentlest way to get it off sensitive skin and little hands without a big production or scrubby brushes. The one-bottle cabinet. Honestly, just seeing one simple bottle under the sink instead of 10 bright, loud labels helps my brain so much. It's one less thing to think about and way less visual noise to process. Now, let's move on to something that can truly simplify your cleaning routine. The Sensory Safe Dilution Cheat Sheet. This handy guide has been designed specifically for sensitive people who want to keep their living spaces clean without overwhelming their senses. It provides easy-to-follow ratios for diluting Castile soap for different uses. I encourage you to download the Sensory Safe Dilution Cheat Sheet from the show notes and give it a try. It's a simple tool, but it can make a world of difference in reducing sensory overload and making your cleaning routine more pleasant. So go ahead, check the show notes, get your free download, and start enjoying a more sensory-safe cleaning experience. A lot of people ask if they can mix this soap with vinegar in a spray bottle. The short answer, no, don't mix them. You should not mix Castile soap and vinegar together in the same bottle. Because Castile soap is alkaline and vinegar is an acid, they effectively cancel each other out. The science. The vinegar unsaponifies the soap, turning it back into oil. The result? You get a curdled, white, oily mess that won't clean anything and may leave a film on surfaces. Instead of mixing them, use them as a two-step system. This is incredibly helpful for HSPs because it ensures there is zero soap film left behind, leaving surfaces squeaky clean, which is a great tactile sensation. Step 1. Wash with the Castile soap dilution to lift dirt and grease. Step 2. Spray rinse with a diluted vinegar solution to cut any soap film and add shine. Now, I promised to tell you why Castile soap sometimes fails. If you have hard water, the minerals can react with the soap and leave clothes feeling stiff. The fix is simple. Adding vinegar to the softener drawer, not mixed with the soap, acts as a fabric relaxer that strips away the mineral buildup that makes clothes feel stiff. And that wraps up today's episode, everyone. Just to recap, we covered some fantastic uses of Castile soap, explored ways to avoid sensory overload while cleaning, and I shared my special double rinse secret for making your laundry soft and comfy. I hope you feel inspired to implement these sensory-friendly cleaning practices into your routine. Don't forget to download the Sensory Safe Dilution Cheat Sheet. You can find the link in the show notes. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to sign up for our weekly self-care and skincare tips. Details are available in the show notes as well. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Gentle Exhale Self-Care for Sensitive Givers. I'm Carrie Scharf, wishing you a peaceful and sensory-friendly day. Take care and see you next time.